Afternoon, Takrik. Okay, another travel. I'm going to Da Nang, Vietnam. So gabi na kami mga karating. Ayan. Alright. See you later. Hey guys. Boarding na. Ayan, with my wife.
Hello everyone and welcome to your Cebu Pacific flight for a remake moment. It's flight J5756 bound for Da Nang. Only guests for this flight in Da Nang must be on board.
Na po kami. Ang airport to rito, ayan. Tapos by bus. Sakay kami ng bus. Puno eh. Kasya. Dito na kami sa Terminal 2 ng Da Nang International Airport, YP Qasim Jamil. Ayan. Pinoy na Pinoy eh. Sa exit pumapasok eh. Parang wala akong entrance dito, puro exit. Wow, ganda ng airport nila. Toilet. Sino magto-toilet? Mamaya na, meron naman dun eh. So, andito po tayo sa Da Nang International Airport, Terminal 2. Yan. Maganda po airport nila oh. Malinis. So, itong vlog natin ngayon eh hanggang hotel. So hanapin natin si Park Yun Jun. Ano si Park? Look naman here, sir. Yeah. Airport nila. Ito po ang airport sa Da Nang, Vietnam. Arrival gate. Terminal 2. Okay.
Ho Chi Minh City before. So for example, Ho Chi Minh where you were is the biggest city of Vietnam. Around 12 million people living there. If it was in Hanoi, about 10 million. And remember that 70% of the population are the motorbike.
Yes.
So it looks like the highlight. It looks like the specialties of Vietnam. But I would like to tell you, you stay here in Da Nang. Da Nang is the third biggest city.
Ito na po, dumating kami sa aming hotel, Sala Da Nang Beach Hotel. Beachfront po to. Ayan. Pag kumuha kayo ng kwarto, yung magkakatabi yan. Hindi magkakatabi. Ayan. Ito po yung Sala Hotel. Ito ang aming ka-tour guide. So review natin mamaya. Kami, nasa 17th floor po kami, 1707. Ito po yung room namin. Ito po yung Sala Beachfront Hotel. Ganda naman niya, oh. CR glass. Grabe. Here we are. Miss Venturina Ana. May CR. Ito ho, panalo yung CR, oh. Kita, oh. Kita sa loob ng kwarto, oh. Tingnan nyo, ah. Ayan, oh. Habang naliligo ka, the best to. Hanep. So that's it for now. Ang aming arrival sa Danang. Then tomorrow ang start namin ng tour. Ayan, meron tayong Welcome TV. Napakita ko lang pala yung view from the 17th floor. Ayan po siya. Grabe. Inuulit ko. Sarap dito, maganda rito, puntahan nyo. Malinis tong Danang. So that's all for now. Bukas naman ho, another video. Ay mabu! Yahoo!